Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the electric circuit component recognition using image processing, okay, and machine learning. So in that project, first we have to upload any image, okay, from the any directory. So let's select any image. I'm selecting any image and it will detect the components. So first detection part is done. Okay, we are giving that input. And after detection, it will recognize the components. Okay, this is the detection part. Okay, it will recognize the capacitor, resistance, V source, like that. So this is the complete project. You can provide any input image and it will identify the electric circuit component recognition. Okay, this type of project we are developing. If you are searching any type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. We are providing all type of project related to computer science domain in Python, Java, machine learning, Android. Okay, and if you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.